Hello students, welcome back to Rosy Science class. In this video, I shall discuss previous year board question paper of science. This is the series daa1b/3, set number 1, 31/3/1. We are going to discuss section A, which has 20 MCQs. The first one is identify the product X obtained in the following chemical reaction. CaCO3, this is the symbol of heat, gives X plus CO2. So this is a decomposition reaction. This is limestone. CaCO3 is limestone. On heating gives quick lime, that is calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So option A is correct. Select a pair of natural indicator from the following. This is from chapter number 2 and the page number is given here for reference. So the natural indicators are turmeric and litmus. If the question is synthetic indicators, then it would be phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Natural indicators are turmeric and litmus. So the correct option is B. A chemical compound used in glass, soap and paper industries is washing soda. Washing soda. Question number 4. The structural formula of cyclohexane is, 4 options are given. So cyclohexane formula is C6H12 and we can see this is the correct option. There are 6 carbon atoms and if you count there are 12 hydrogen. Now this is also important, given in the textbook, and again page number is 65. On page 65 you will find both these. These are not given. A and B is given. So A is benzene. You should know this one also, benzene. The formula for this is C6H6. Okay. So for this one we want only cyclohexane, which is this one. So the correct option is option B. Question number 5. Consider the following chemical equations. A Al2O3 plus B HCl gives C AlCl3 plus D H2O. In order to balance this chemical equation, the value of A, B, C and D must be, we need to choose the correct option and give the values of A, B, C, D. So for balancing, we will start with Al2O3, Al2, that means 2 atoms. So we'll put a 2 here first. Now it's 2 Al and 2 into 3, 6 Cl. So here we have Cl, we'll make this 6. Now we'll balance H. H is 6. So this side also we should have 6. 2 is here. So this should be 3. Now oxygen is left. 3 oxygen. Then here it's already 3 oxygen. That means it is all balanced. You can just count and check. So the correct option is 1, 6, 2, 3. 1, 6, 2, 3. Right? Here A is 1. Just be careful. Nothing is there. Just 1. Okay. Option A. Which one of the following hydrocarbons is different from the others? Now if you see here, there is a pattern in the numbers. 4, 10. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Right? So this one will be 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And here it's 7 2s are 14. 2 is not added, which means this is different from rest of the options. So correct option is option B. Which one of the following reactions is different from the remaining 3? So now we see which is different. This one is different because here if you see, the products are 1, 2. 2 products. 2 products, 2 products. That means these are displacement reactions. Whereas here we have one single product, which is a combination reaction. So correct option is option B. Select from the following a plant hormone which promotes cell division. This you can read on page number 108 of NCERT textbook, and the correct answer is cytokinins. Cytokinins helps in cell division. Cytokinins helps in cell division. Parts of a flower which attracts insects for pollination is petals and sepals, anther and stigma, petals only, sepals only. So the correct option is petals because it is brightly colored. So it attracts the pollinators towards it. So option C. In an experiment to study independent inheritance of two separate traits, shape and color of seeds, the ratio of the different combination in F2 progeny would be 9:3:3:1, and this picture is given on page number 131, and you will see that the ratio is 9:3:3:1. So option C. Which of the following statements are true about human heart? That means we can have one option or we can have more than one options true. Now for that you need to know the structure of heart. I've got a rough picture of the heart here just for the explanation purpose. So here this is the heart. We have left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, left side and right side. Now what happens is the oxygenated blood comes from here, right, and it goes to left atrium, then moves down to left ventricle. From there it moves through the aorta to the body, and from the body the impure blood through the vena cava comes to right atrium and then moves down to right ventricle, and then it's sent to the lungs. So this is how basically your heart pumps the blood, right? Now we'll see the options. Right atrium receives oxygenated blood. This is right atrium. It receives oxygenated blood from lungs. That is not true because this portion of the heart, it receives impure blood from the body. So this option is not correct. Next is left atrium transfers oxygenated blood to left ventricle, which sends it to various parts of the body. So left atrium is here. It transfers oxygenated blood to left ventricle, right? And then it sends it through aorta to different parts of the body. So this is correct. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body through vena cava. This is correct. Left atrium transfers oxygenated blood to aorta, which sends it to different parts of the body. Left atrium sends the oxygenated blood to aorta. That is false because it is pushing the blood to left ventricle, not aorta. So this is not correct. The correct options are only B and C, which is option C. Question number 12. A cross between two tall pea plants resulted in offsprings having a few dwarf plants. The gene combination of the parental plants must be, the answer for this is option A, TT and TT. If you crossbreed this, you will get TT, T small t, again TT and TT. So this portion is of dwarf plants, and this is given in page number 130, figure 8.3. Correct option A. The phenomena of light involved in the formation of a rainbow in the sky are refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection. The order is very important. First it is refraction, then dispersion. Now A option C, it has reflection. But what word is missing? Internal. Internal refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection. So option B. In case of 4 wires of same material, the resistance will be minimum if the diameter and length of the wire respectively are. The correct option for this one is D, and I'll be making a different video for this because here I need to show you all the calculations how to do it. For now I'm just giving you the correct option, which is option D, 4D and 2L. A food chain will be more advantageous in terms of energy if it has 2 trophic levels, 3, 4 and 5 trophic levels. The answer is 2 trophic levels. Less the number of trophic levels, higher the energy. Okay, so it's 2 trophic levels. For reference, it's page 210 of NCERT textbook. Consider the following statements about ozone. Ozone is poisonous gas. That is correct. Ozone shields the Earth's surface from the infrared radiation from the sun. It's not infrared, it is UV radiation. Ozone is a product of UV radiations acting on oxygen molecule. This is correct. At the lower level of the Earth's surface, ozone performs most essential function. It's not the lower level, it's the higher level. Okay, and this is the equation you must know. This is important equation. So here the correct options are ozone is poisonous gas, A and C. So A and C, option B is the correct option. Question number 17 to 20 are assertion and reason based questions. So if it could be both true and with the correct explanation, both true, not correct explanation, one true, other false, one false, other true. Okay, so you have to choose the correct one. First one is a piece of zinc metal gets reddish brown coating when kept in copper sulfate solution for some time. This is true. This is true. Copper is more reactive metal than zinc. This is false because here zinc is more reactive. That's why it's displacing copper. Okay. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So true, false, and the option would be option C. Option C is the correct answer. Offsprings produced by asexual reproduction are genetically similar to the parents. True. Asexual reproduction involves a single parent. That is also true. And the explanation is also correct. So, it is option A. Because it's a single parent, therefore the offsprings are genetically similar to the parent. Question number 19. Red light signals are used to stop the vehicles on the road. That is true. Red colored light is scattered the most so as to be visible from a large distance. This is false. It is scattered the least so as to be visible from a large distance. So this is true. This is false. Correct option would be option C. The waste we generate daily may be biodegradable or non-biodegradable. This is true. Biodegradable means like the vegetable peels or the fruits or whatever. And for non-biodegradable, we have like a plastic, glass, metal that doesn't easily gets decomposed. Okay, so this is true. The waste generated, if not disposed of properly, may cause serious environmental problems. This is also true. However, this is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So this is option B. Both true, but the explanation is not for this given statement. With this, we complete the 20 MCQs of this paper. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you.